In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Outlook in PC. On the Outlook desktop app, there isn't a traditional sign-out button like you'd see on a website. Instead, the way you log out is by removing the email account from Outlook's settings. This only disconnects the app on this computer. It does not delete your email account or erase messages from your mail server. If you sign back in later, your mail will sync again. Think of it as unlinking the account from this copy of Outlook. First, check which version of Outlook you are using, because the steps look a little different. If you see a small settings gear in the top right of the window, you are in the new Outlook for Windows. If your window has a traditional file tab in the top left, you are using Classic Outlook. I will walk you through both. In the new Outlook, click the gear in the top right corner to open Settings. In the pane that appears, choose Accounts, then select your accounts. You will see the list of email addresses currently connected to Outlook on this PC. Find the account you want to log out of and select Manage. Scroll to the bottom of that pane and choose Remove Account from Outlook. When Outlook asks you to confirm, select Remove. The account will be disconnected and the inbox and calendar for that account will disappear from this app. Your messages remain safely stored with your email provider. If you are using Classic Outlook, start at the top left and click File. On the Info page, select Account Settings. Then choose Account Settings again from the drop-down. A pop-up window lists all of the accounts added to Outlook. Click to highlight the account you want to remove, and then choose Remove at the top of that list. Outlook will ask you to confirm. Click Yes, and the account will be removed from this copy of Outlook. That account's mail, calendar, and contacts will no longer appear here. But nothing is deleted from the server. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you have more than one account to log out, repeat the same steps for each one. You can add the account back at any time using Outlook's Add Account option. Your mail will resync from the server. Removing an account also removes its locally cached data from this PC, which is normal. And that's it. Thanks for watching.